guys, just wanted to show you the Comfee multi-cooker and just go over it with you. Now I love this thing. You can actually cook more than just rice with it. You can use it to steam cook, slow cook, saute, and even make soup and oatmeal. So this is really convenient to make a whole variety of food with. It has a one-touch control panel that makes cooking super simple, and the stainless steel dinner pot is actually easy to clean out. Plus, the You Keep Warm function ensures that your dishes stay at a warm temperature, even when you're not ready to eat right away. This does make preparing food a lot more easier, since you can cook something and leave it until it's done, and it'll turn off by itself while still keeping the warm feature on. Like I said, it cooks a lot of things like fluff, perfectly cooked rice. You could even do slow cooked stew or whipping up oatmeal. This does have the ability to saute and brown ingredients directly inside the pot. And it also comes with a steaming tray as well that you can use for broccoli or other veggies. So this is perfect if you're a lazy cooker like myself, or you do have lots of other things you need to cook at once. If you're meal prepping for the entire week with lots of food, I would definitely recommend this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.